Kiumia kihituku thirikari ni yarekereirie muigana wa ciringi birioni 22 mbeca cia mahuthiro ma arutwo thiini wa tamu ya keri. Ikigwetwo cia kuoneka ari mbeca nyingi indi kigina kiria gikinyeire mathukuru gitiragomania gicunji kia 30% kia mbeca iria ifatie kurekererio ni undu wa mahuthiro ma arutwo thiini wa tamu ya keri, undu uria ucungiriirie inegene na maruru kuma kuri arugamiriri a mathukuru oro undu umwe na anyiti itemi angi sector-ini ino.
The government should come out clearly to state whether they are able or whether they have the capacity to fund free education, which is a right in the Constitution. The government should provide free and compulsory basic education. And therefore, is this free? Is this fair?
Kuringana na Moses Ndurima, Mwiharirie giti wa kiama gia KUPPET, ikinya riri ria ya kuihiriria maundu makiria, kuona thire wa mathukuru no urathie na mbere kwiyongerera.
When the school doesn't have electricity, the Kenya Power will not know this is a school. They will just stop it. Food, chalk, and many other accessories that are supposed to aid the school environment.
Ndurima akiuga haria maundu makinyite arugamiriri a mathukuru matire na wiki otiga kuria aciari kuingirira na njira ya kuriha bithi angikorwo arutwo ni meguthie na mbere na mathomo.
We are asking them to be open and tell parents that the government cannot finance education. Come in and support, because these are our children. We cannot bury our head in the sand and start saying that the government is going to pay.
Maya MOKITE RIRI sector ya githomo inyihiirio KIGINA makiria thiini wa mendekithia ma budget ya mwaka twerekeire wa KIGINA, undu uria utumurite nganja cia uria sector no ifatie kwirugamirira thengia ya gukorwo ari wega yagirwo KIGINA kiria kinene o mwaka.
Signed around 56 billion every year. That is more than 27% of the budget of the country. But where is this money? That money cannot be seen. Once it lands in the Ministry of Education, it finds other holes where it disappears into.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wandiro.
I don't have